Welcome to Stone Hands, to the Hands of Stone. The importance of saying no when you see people around us who are trying to suppress our real being, our real emotions, and they try to take a hang over us. They try to manipulate us and make us act as they want. So the skill of saying no is your greatest superpower. It opens up the doors. It opens up your real purpose. It opens up actually the sense of compassion. Because when you're a person who is afraid of saying no, you feel bad, you feel sad, you feel sorry. When you say no to someone, you feel their pain inside you. That's because since childhood you have been taught so. When you are not serving others as they say, you are a bad person. But when you're able to go through your own pain and to say the first no, then comes the second one, the third one, and suddenly you realize you are on the footpath for your own personal success. You are on a way of manifesting great abundance and manifesting a life that you have desired. Yes, and saying no is not equal to helping others. No. Saying no is prioritizing your own time so you can choose when you are going to help someone. For example, I'm helping people. I am marketing their stuff for free. I'm marketing it on my own chosen time, on my own free time when I feel inspired to do so. And I'm not obliged to market them, but I have made an offer. If you want to market your stuff, just contact me and let me know your details, your business, your purpose, a picture of you, and I shall commence on my chosen time. So the second thing that I have learned is when I'm the master of my time, I can prioritize other people's needs because I'm feeling good. I'm not feeling bad because I said no to someone. I don't feel bad that I didn't do something. So your paid job is your worst enemy, I must say. Because when you get paid by a hourly wage, you are obliged to work hour by hour. You are obliged to sell your time, and actually you are murdering your productivity. Because productivity is destroyed when you have just a frame for sitting, or you have got a frame, a monetary frame that you cannot exceed, and you do not have to work then for. You can just hang out, do some work, but you cannot be perfect, you cannot be excellent. But if your own skin is in the game, if you have said no to those unnecessary offers, when you have said no to all the needy people, you're able to dictate your own boundaries. You're able to make offers. You're able to negotiate better deals. For example, you had a paid job from 9 to 5 or something like that, and suddenly you see a job that you can accomplish in 2 hours, and maybe it takes 3 hours, maybe it takes 4 hours, but you see it as a whole picture. Okay, I will ask this money for this job or for this consultation. This is the price. And you don't frame it with time. And it may be so that you're motivated to go out with your children. You can do it before doing the job or after. And you're motivated to be really focused, because when the job is done, you can do other things. You can increase your income by doing other work. You can just go hang out with your family. You can do things that you love. And when you learn to say no, you become the master of your own time. So keep that in mind and you will be a great person. That's the evolution of entrepreneurship actually. Becoming the master of your time and becoming an entrepreneur within a company or being the boss of your own firm. It depends which aims you have, but the concept of entrepreneurship, when you are internal entrepreneur, so you are an independent cell within a larger organization and you're able to choose your work hours, you are able to choose your contribution. And of course, deadlines are good. Deadlines are always healthy, but that's not a deadline when you have proposed working hours each day, because then it's really easy to procrastinate. And when you feel like today is not the right day to do this kind of a job, then your hands are chained, and then you do just some silly face that you are being productive, etc. Or you get your job done in 3 hours and now you have got 5 hours to hang out. So when you realize that setting the boundary, you are able to trade your craft for the income or for the pleasure or for the profit. It's not anymore about the hourly wage, it's not about your wage or the money, but it's more about living up and chasing your own lifestyle, bringing it closer to you. And of course, saying no in the beginning can be really, really hard, because some people are used that they get what they want from you. They say obey, they say eat this. I will make an example. My father and the grandfather of our children, since my childhood, he has made porridge each morning. And when I was younger, I obeyed him, because he says eat. I made you a porridge. Okay, I will eat. But I don't like porridge, I hate it. And when I'm older now, he makes, and when we are together somewhere, he cooks the porridge again. And for the grandchildren and for me, and so he's cooking and asking, who wants porridge? Okay, the grandchildren want, yeah, me. Then he asks from me, do you want porridge? No, I made it already. Why you don't want porridge? No, I don't want your porridge. But it's ready, he serves his porridge. And I'm like, no, I don't want it. And then it's, and it is each time like so. So he is my greatest teacher actually, because through him I have learned the art of saying no. And he is a really accomplished businessman. So he makes offers, and the no is never an answer for him. That's another thing. When you learn to say no, you learn also that no is never an answer. Because you can make a proposal, an offer again and again. When another person says no, leave me alone, you just don't care. You can just make another one and another one, because you do not feel the pain of being left out, or the pain of being thrown back. No, you don't feel that pain anymore, because you know your own boundaries, and you can make infinite amount of offers to anyone. Okay, you can be realistic about them, but you just don't care. Just you learn how not to care, and at the same time you really learn to appreciate other people, and you really learn to care of other people, because you are not in the pain body anymore, but you are in your strength, and you're able to support other people. When they say no, you're still able to support yourself, and you're able to support anyone else. So hopefully this video was useful. Subscribe and check out 8 exercises for great voice. So see you soon. Goodbye.